أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله، وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له، وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. My dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam, just before Juma here in Colorado, when I received multiple questions to the Colorado Fiqh Council regarding attending Salatul Jumu'ah today. I know that I'm 2 hours, back, so it's almost 2 hours. Maybe Salatul Jumu'ah is already done in the East Coast. Maybe it's ongoing in the Midwest. We are Mountain Standard Time, so it's a little bit behind. But I thought about posting something in general, because a lot of the brothers are asking for if there is a permission, if there is a license not to pray Jumu'ah today. Brothers and sisters in Islam, there is no imminent present danger. So just because of anxiety and fear, you shouldn't be abandoning Jumu'ah today. You have to attend Salatul Jumu'ah, and you have to observe the Salah. You see, if there is imminent and present danger, yes, absolutely. The sanctity of the life and the importance of protecting this life is a priority in Islam. But it shouldn't be something that you assume. It has to be something that is imminent and present in a way. And brothers and sisters in Islam, you should notify your leadership in the masajid to take precautions. These are means. Don't tell me, just tawakkul. And you see, tawakkul is done with the heart. But part of the tawakkul, that you call your police, local police, and you request extra security and so forth. And these are the times, brothers and sisters in Islam, where your faith is tested. And I recall that hadith Suhaib regarding the story of the people of the trench, Ashab al-Ukhdud. If you read that hadith fi Sahih Imam Muslim, towards the end of that hadith, remember the mother when they were about to throw her baby, in fire, and the mother was about to back off. It was at this time, it was not permissible for you to give up Islam under the pressure. You cannot. So the baby said to the mother, "Oh Ummah, my mother, be firm. You are on the truth. You are on the truth. You're not doing anything wrong. Go out there and observe your Jumu'ah. Jazakumullahu khaira. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin."